Good afternoon, everyone, and thank you so much for being here at Sophomore Institute 2026.
I'm looking forward to getting to explore different career paths and looking into just my future in general.
I feel as though Mount Holyoke took my brain and opened it up and put all this incredible information in it. I learned that I just have to believe in myself and I can do remarkable things. And I love to be interacting with students and young people, and because I learn from you all, so it's important for me.
It's just really cool to see a bunch of students who are where I was a few years ago, and I hope that they get to see through Sophomore Institute all the cool paths and places that Mount Holyoke alums end up.
My favorite part of Sophomore Institute so far is how supportive our CDC teams are.
Mount Holyoke gave me my first opportunity to experiment with entrepreneurship, and it was incredibly powerful and made me yearn to be an entrepreneur at some point. I just needed to learn how to be a successful one.
My number one takeaway from Sophomore Institute is that you don't have to have it all figured out right now, and I think that that's good to know and learn. I also learned how many resources this school offers and how much they're stressing that we use the CDC and the alum network, and I thought that that was all very helpful.
I decided to participate in Sophomore Institute because I wanted to connect with alums, and also I wanted to look into my career path a little more.
Mount Holyoke, I always say, was the most transformative thing in my career. Had I not been here, I wouldn't have worked for advisors who encouraged me to go into public service. I wouldn't have learned how to think critically. I wouldn't have learned how the world works and how to navigate difference. It's probably the most important thing in my career journey.
I'm most looking forward to interacting with alums and getting a better idea of my career goals and what I want to forward myself after MHC.
One thing that I'm looking forward to for Sophomore Institute is the informational interviews with the alums. I really enjoy talking to alums. I feel like every networking event and interview that I've been able to do with alums in the past has always added something to my search, to what I'm planning to do in the future. They always change my perspective, so I'm really excited to talk to a few more during this process.
I chose to do Sophomore Institute because it's a really great opportunity to connect with alums, and it's a big reason why I chose Mount Holyoke as a school, because they have these programs to begin with.
I wanted to pay it forward for the next round of sophomores. I had a really great experience, and especially the people at the CDC who really make Mount Holyoke feel like home and really comfortable for us. I feel like they made an environment where we could feel like excited to pay it forward and show the next round of sophomores everything that Mount Holyoke has to offer.